We are so close to done with this one. So, change the sign of it. Times the divisor. Negative times negative. By the way, we are spreading the jam. Negative times negative here. And 24 times 5 is 120. Keep the x. And like I said, that first piece always goes to 0. Now, 120 minus 26 gives us 94. Whew, one more time. And just one more time. First divided by first. So 94x divided by 2x. Choppa choppa. It's 47. That's positive, so we put plus 47. Now we change the sign of it. By the way, the reason why we do that is because the step down here is we always subtract down here. But when there's more than one item or more than one term, we tend to forget to distribute to that second term. So that's why we do this step right here. So that we won't forget to minus. So negative times positive is minus. Minus times minus is plus. 47 times 5 is 235. Bring that over here. This is our last time. Choppa choppa. Add those together and we get 254. Now, depending on how it asks for your answer, depends on how you write your answer, okay? It may just ask for the quotient. It may just ask for the remainder in separate boxes. If that is so, then that'll be an easy fix right there. If it wants you to put your quotient and remainder together. Then you may have to do it like this. 8x squared plus 24x plus 47. Your remainder is positive, so put plus, put a space, 254, and then you're going to put a fraction bar, parenthesis, and I'm having to put it in parentheses. Once you put your fraction bar, you don't have to. But because of typing it doesn't put the 2x minus 5 under the fraction bar. So I have to put it in parentheses to make sure it goes together. But make sure you put this little bit of it, this one space right there. Otherwise, it'll mess it up. I don't know why. Now, if this was a negative, you would put a minus instead of a plus sign. But that is a possibility of how they want your answer. Now, I don't want to actually work this problem, but I need to remind you of something. I said you cannot have any missing pieces. 0x cubed is the same thing as 0. Okay? So, and 0x is the same thing as 0. So this numerator has to be written as 6x to the 4th plus 0x cubed minus 8x squared plus 0x plus 18. You need these two placeholders. So like an example of that in real numbers and in real life would be if I have a $20 bill and I have to split it. I have to break it to buy something that's $5.47. Okay? These zeros are placeholders. And now what I would do is this 20 would become a 19, make that a 10, steal from that, make that a 9, make that a 10. 10 minus 10 minus 7 is 3. Like I said, I have this dyslexic ability to put my answer in my question. 9 minus 4 is 5. And 19 minus 5 is 14. Okay? So that's a real life example of using placeholders. And that's all you're doing with this. So this is the exact same thing as that. It just looks different. All right? Holler if you need me.